This is for Methods Technology Masterclass number 20. I'm going to use a program in the class pad called Judge to do problems like this. What Judge will do is it will judge whether this equals this for this particular function for all values of x. And it will say true if it is always true, false if it is always false, and undetermined if it is sometimes true and sometimes false. So if I'm looking for equals, I want it to be always equal, so I'm looking for a true statement. Okay, this is the way it's going to work. I'm going to define e to the x, and then I'm going to plus e to the minus x. And I'm going to define that. Then I'm going to get this judge statement. So I'm going to go into catalog, and I'm going to go to J, and there's judge, and then I'm going to go input. And I wish f of 2u, so f of 2u, to equal 2 times f of u. And if that's true, when I press XE, I'll get a true statement. I get undefined, which means it is sometimes true and sometimes not true, so that's no good. So I now wish to test to see whether it's equal to f of u squared. And it's also undefined, so sometimes true and sometimes not true. F of u all squared. So around the f of u I'm going to put another bracket, and then I'm going to put a squared outside that bracket, and then I do minus 2. And that's true. So this is my correct answer. Just to double check, I'll check the last two as well. I'll get rid of that squared. 2 f of u minus 2, and that's undefined. And lastly, f of u squared minus 2, and that gives me an undefined as well. So this was the only one that gave me a true statement for all values of u, so C is the correct